Alright, so this is the D8644 Fume Cabinet Controller replacement for basic fume cabinets. The unit, when purchased, come with everything that's here. The LCD display, the keypad, airflow sensor, battery backup, the actual controller, relay module, and power supply. So I'm just going to quickly explain how this controller works. Basically, all these modules are plug and play through these DIN plugs that connect to the controller. The controller itself connects to the PSU via the power in over there. And each of the DIN sockets only has one space where it can fit in, so you can't get that wrong. Also, on the controller itself, it is labeled underneath there